incredible series on Virgin Voyages that helped me get prepared on so many different levels. Speaking of getting prepared, so originally I was gonna book the cruise October 5th through the 9th so I could actually be cruising on my birthday. But I discovered if you wanna use Uplift and spread out on payments, you need to book at least 10 days in advance. So first world problems, no problem. I decided I would enjoy my birthday in Atlanta with my friends at the Illuminarium. So you'll see a video on that coming up. And instead, I decided to go on the October 9th through the 14th, 2022 Riviera Maya on the Scarlet Lady. And when you go to virginvoyages.com, you can scroll down, take a look at all the different options and see all the deals they are including. So here you can take a look at the Riviera Maya includes leaving from Miami with a stop in Cozumel, then a stop in the beach club at Bimini, and then returning to Miami. And we are cruising from the 9th through the 14th. And I ended up choosing a sea terrace view. So I will definitely be sharing with you guys behind the scenes of the cabin and what it looks like, including the balcony and the hammock. So definitely stay tuned on that. You can choose to, of course, if you're cruising with two of you or one of you. I ended up finding a influencer, Daniela Bori, and used her code, which gave me several $100s of sailor loot, which is what you can use online. So on their website, you can find out quite a bit of information on, where you're stopping, what's included. What I love about Virgin also is that it is adults only. It's 18 plus, 21 plus. The gratuities and the taxes are all included. And for someone like me, especially, I don't drink alcohol. Now, granted, if you do cold pressed juices, more of the upscale coffees, that's also extra. And they don't have a typical buffet style or buffet or however you say it. They have over 20 Michelin type restaurants, from Razzle Dazzle to the Wake to basically the food hall to the test kitchen, and so many incredible experiences, which leads me to, once you book your cruise, which leads me to the app. So once you book your cruise, you get access and have access to your reservation on the app. And on the app, you can book. So here's a glance at the app. And on the app, you can book any of the restaurants that require a reservation, but you can only book one time. Because their whole premise is they want, every sailor to have access to, the restaurants at least once. But from what I've read and what I've listened to in the videos, that you can easily go standby to get access to a restaurant that you really, really like. And what I also learned from Griff and Alyssa and Christine is that the restaurants Wake and Razzle Dazzle have brunch and or breakfast. So definitely check those out too. And before I show you guys what I am packing, so you get a sense for what I'm packing and including, some of the things that I learned also, and I'll share this at boarding as well, like the fitness classes, which I definitely plan on checking out, like the sunrise yoga, the breathing, the VHS workout. I've got my Bright workout all set up. And I'll also share some behind the scenes with boarding and how quick it is. And it's also been really easy on the app. It's like a 10-step process where you go through a checklist. Then you fill out a health declaration, and then you also confirm the day of travel. Speaking of travel, before I share what I'm packing, I initially was gonna fly from Atlanta the morning of travel, but the flight on Southwest was gonna leave at 8 in the morning. So I was gonna have to be at the airport about 6, 7-ish. And I was like, you know what? I want to be super fresh, super on, It's gonna be super exciting to be on a cruise again. Then there's a show, then there's a pajama party, and I don't wanna be super tired already starting the cruise. So, and then also like, sometimes life can happen, and the last thing I wanted to do was if anything happened with the flight or with the weather, that I would be like stressing or late or heaven forbid not make it. So I shifted my flights. I'm flying in the day before the cruise, staying at an Airbnb, and jumping on the BCT, the transit within Miami to Miami Port on the day of. Speaking of, you can register your embarkation time on the app, and like I'm scheduled for 2:45, so super, super excited. So drop any questions on any of that so far, and then I'm gonna share some behind the scenes on what I'm packing, what I'm bringing, and then don't leave and stay tuned because I will also share what it was like boarding, and then some of my upcoming series on the Virgin Voyages series on my YouTube, on my Instagram, and all the things are going to include my cabin and my balcony, are going to include previews of my days and what I did on certain days, a day in Cozumel, a day in Bahamas, dining at the Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady, and exclusive behind the scenes looks of I see food and eat it. And let's get physical, workouts on Virgin Voyages, top 10 things to do with the Virgin Voyages, and then a recap on losing my virginity and what I loved with Virgin Voyages and highlights. I'll definitely be sharing Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts on Ship Just Got Real. Guys, so as of now, I am taking this bag that I ended up getting from Turkey this year when I was there with my parents. And it is a roller bag, and obviously I can easily check it in. So as of now, everything's fitting in here. And what I've done is basically segment by days. So I'm gonna lower this a bit and so you can see it. So you can see right here, I segmented by days, and I'm gonna walk you through what I'm taking based on what I've learned of what the programming looks like on Virgin, and what I'm packing, and then some extras too, because I love being spontaneous, and I had it set right, and now first world problems. So let's see if that works. Okay, that works. So I am traveling in this as far as when I leave Atlanta, and it's doubling up as my VHS workout outfit. I'm taking and wearing these to travel with. I love to travel comfy. I just got these Nikes, and they are actually kid sizes, kids 5.5, which is more or less female 7, and I love them. I was wearing them today. Then on the day I board, unless I decide to change my mind, because there's always that, I will wear this super cute dress, and that way, and this hat, and that way I've got that all set for as far as boarding, for sunset, for creating content, and it's all set up, okay? Then in the evening, I may decide to change in something, you know, for one of the parties, or I might decide to keep it on. And then I got this adorable PJ set for pajama night from Shine, Shein. So that's basically day 1. Day 2 is we are on the cruise. I've got, and when I say we, I mean everyone, because I'm actually traveling solo. And there is yoga in the morning. And there is, I plan on definitely spending time at the pool and checking out some of the activities, the workout, the VHS workout, and one of the shows, etc. So speaking of pool, I brought basically a pink bathing suit that I have that goes along with this adorable, basically cover up. So in case you don't know, I love pink. Then I brought this bathing suit, or I'm bringing this bathing suit from Cuba. That's, you've probably seen it, or maybe seen it in some of my Instagram Reels, and it's embroidered, and then this cover up. And either on Tuesday or Thursday, I'll definitely do some spa time. Brought some bandanas to wear, also from Shine. And speaking of bandanas and water stuff, and this is for Cozumel and Bimini also, I brought water shoes. From some of the packing list, I found that water shoes are great to bring, and a waterproof bag. So that's all taken care of. And I have like a mini beach bag that also folds into a wallet that I got at She's Wonderful earlier in 2022 this year. So that's set up. Then for the show that evening, I have a onesie that's from Shine. It's super cute. I'm actually gonna wear it probably for my birthday tomorrow when I hang out with my friends in Atlanta. So it's super cute and also classy but sexy. So I got that for the show. Oh, and I brought this bathing suit. I'm bringing this bathing suit from Shine as well. It's a one piece with basically openings. So that's that. Then for the first port of call, depending on what I decide or port, I have this cute outfit that I got from El Salvador. This is the top and the shorts basically match. So that, and then that'll go over my bathing suit. And I'm planning on probably doing one of the shore things that is at one of the beaches in Cozumel and some of the water sports. I love, love, love water sports. Last year for my birthday, I did free diving. So this year it'll be time with friends, cruising. I may be getting a puppy this month and a couple other things are happening too. Tattoo, so yep. So that is the Bahamas basically, and I may take that cover up with the white and the black as well. And I'm not in the Bahamas, I'm sorry, Cozumel. Cozumel's first. Cozumel. Then for some of the evening shows, depending on what I am feeling, I've got this dress also from Shine, and it has a super cute belt. Then I've got this adorable two-sided skirt, so it can function for even two different events from Portugal that I bought earlier this year. And I can either wear it with this adorable top, and obviously this can double up with my shorts that I just showed you, the blue shorts, to color block. So that can be great for color blocking. Boom, done. Or I can wear this with the skirt on the other side. This is a cute top I got from Shine. So that's done. And then let's talk about evening wear. Oh, I also brought these gym pants. I also got these super cute Herbalife ones for the fitness classes because there's a bungee class, there's the VHS class. I will definitely be doing fitness. Then I have this shirt with these pants, but it also doubles up in a full peak outfit. So I've got that. And another sports bra. Then for evening wear, actually, before I go evening wear, and I may still downsize everything that I've gotten so far, but I still have room, but I may still downsize. Like I've got this extra shirt from Shine. It's embroidered, super cute. And then speaking of this, I was figuring I'll probably do for Bahamas over my bathing suit. I ended up getting, and some of the, like I might do because there's a lot of beach activities in Bahamas. So I'll probably also get the black bathing suit and these shorts in order to participate in those. And then this dress I actually bought in Cancun back in 2018, 2019 when I got hosted by Airbnb. And I also bought a matching one with a vision for my future daughter when I was in Cancun as well. So that's for Bahamas. Then for evening wear / show wear, this is an adorable dress that I got from Shine. Here is another. I love this piece. It's shorts, like skirts, but it's also a long, like a high-low type maxi dress, but it's shorts in between. This is from Macy's. Then we've got this. It's like a basically one piece, and keep in mind this is 18 plus. There's nightlife, there's shows, there's clubs, all the things. Then we've got, I love this green dress. I've had this dress for years. I bought it in Vegas years ago. Love, love, love. And last but definitely not least, one of the amazing events that they talk about a lot at for the Virgin Voyages cruise is the Scarlet Lady Night. And so I bought this adorable red dress on Shine. I think it was 20 bucks. And it has slits on the sides, and you'll definitely see me wearing it. And that same night, they've got a pool party, and you can definitely check out the events and things even more, like I said, on the app, once you actually update, just to get a feel for like what's happening. But for the most part, there's tons of activities on the ship every single day, from fitness to social, depending on what your speed is. Also, shows in the evenings, and then also nightlife, and then some restaurants, like the diners, open 24 hours. So anyway, comment down below, let me know like what you loved, what you're like, if you're going, what you're excited about, because I know I got tons of value from people like Christine and Griffin, Alyssa that shared. So that is absolutely my intention with the series, to give, if you're going, to really set you guys up for success, and know what you'll love, or know what, you know, you may agree with me on or disagree, or what will align for you. So next up is boarding and insight into the boarding process. And then coming up in this series will be a behind the scenes of my cabin. So stay tuned, because it's just getting good. So I am arriving, you guys, at boarding. This is Terminal V or Terminal 5, depending on how you look at it, with Virgin Voyages. And I opted to take my bag with me just so I have it. And also my bag is super decorative and beautiful. I got it from Turkey, and so I don't want it to get dirty, and it's raining. So this is the terminal. Amazing, right? Ahoy, sailor. So you definitely want to grab that quick Instagrammable shot and ask a fellow friend. And then here was boarding on, super fast, super easy, as long as you do the pre-check on the app. So here I am getting on the ship. You guys are awesome.
What's the password?
Password is Ahoy Sailor. Hey guys, so welcome to my behind the scenes tour of popping my virginity with Virgin Voyages. And what's amazing, you guys, is I had the Uber drop me off at, I want to say 2:20, and it is now not even 3 o'clock. I have checked in, gone through security, and have access to my cabin. So amazing job to Virgin Voyages. Hashtag not sponsored yet.